some pointers on how to get started with this. I don't know if you've ever used Desmos before. So I'm just going to give you a wee pointers, also a bit of an introduction to this assignment. The idea is that you've got the questions on the left, you put your answers on the right. Occasionally there won't be anything to type there. Sometimes you might want to put in some pictures. And here I've got 5 boxes that correspond to this one here that say play with the formula and take images. So you just want to show me pictures of what you've come up with during your playing. This is supposed to be how to do, so lots of play. First off, how to find Desmos. You can type it or you can click on this wee link. It comes up. I'm automatically logged in as me because I've done that before, but if you just click log in with Google account, and then you should be able to use your school account to do stuff. So I'm not going to give it a title right now. If I give it an appropriate name later on, once I think of one, then I can do that and then click save, and you'll be able to come back to this graph, at another time. So we were asked to plot the point, what was it, 3, 4, was it? Was it 4, 3? Where's it gone? Wrong assignment. Here we go. Right, 3, 4. Okay, so the point 3, 4, and what you've already been asked to do is to find out where, how far it is from the origin. The origin is that 0, 0. Now, I can plot points just by typing them in, and then I can give them a label if I want. I can call this A or whatever. On this occasion I'm not that interested in labeling, so I'm not going to bother. Now you might have already worked out the distance, in which case you can probably try and work out some other points that might have the same distance. I'm going to give you a wee hint here, or to give you something to think about. So you just click underneath. You could say, okay, I think 4, 3 might be the same distance away, would it be? And what is that distance? That's going to be the first thing. That might give you a hint as a couple of other points that you go to. Save, get as far as you can, then you can do a screenshot. If you're on a Mac, you can just go Shift Command 4 to do a screen grab, or Control Alt print screen, or use the snipping tool on a PC, whatever device you're on. Just once you've got as many as you can do, I can think of about 12 you should be able to get fairly easily, though if you miss some of those, that's fine. You can talk to the people next to you, but don't put down any you're not convinced about, and then try and think what kind of curve this is actually making, what kind of graph this might be. And then if you can think how to get a formula that will actually draw that shape, that would be quite cool. And don't go around showing everybody straight away what you've done, but you can give each other hints, it's alright. Okay, what else do we need to talk about? There was something else. So once you've made that graph, you can make little changes to it, see how that affects it. Just show me what interesting things you discover. So get in there. Enter the following formula. Actually, I might just help you with that. So you probably want to have a new graph for that. So I'm going to do it a funny way. I'm going to go back up here and click on here again. And I get a new graph. And what did it say? That formula, or that slider, was K2K. Now if you get stuck at some point, you can just skip on like I'm doing, and then go back as well and talk to the people around you. And so that then gives me the option add a slider. Now you can edit that slider later, but I just wanted you to notice what that graph is doing. Now I want is, can you put in a formula So something like y equals, I don't know, 0.4x plus 1, that's following along. No, it's not the right line. So have a wee think about what line that is, and see if you can do that. Then you're going to go back to this graph and you're going to try and make another slider, right, that goes around all those places, that goes through all the dots. Okay, so it might be 3k k squared, nope, plus, let's go minus 1, right, and I put that in. Okay, what's that doing? Okay, that's not it. Of course I know how to do it, but you know, I just act dumb. Right, no, act like I'm trying to learn. Oh, I want you guys to learn and play and experiment, okay? It's not about being ultra clever and knowing all the answers before you start, right? It's just about having a go. Okay. Is there anything else fun to tell you? I don't think there is. Yeah, no, that'll do. Okay, bye.